Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to tune in onto this video. I'd like to welcome you onto this channel, guys. Just a disclaimer, I currently do not have a DSTV. However, I'm a huge fan of the Winginga Corner, of which it is a reality TV show that airs on Moja Love, that is just based on the life of our community, the LGBT plus community. Yes. So now with this current clip that you're about to watch, it I do not know when was this clip released, or was it last year or this year, but however, what I saw the TikToker who posted this clip that you're about to see posted the clip last year. So yeah, but either way, let's just talk about um this whole thing, and then um yeah, another thing that I'm also going to do, I'm going to leave the full clip that I saw of this short clip um here in the description column below. You just check it out now, elapo, and then yeah, I'll also leave the timestamp ukuthi from siphi isikhathi, and yeah, and then you'll be able to check it out. But for now, check out this video and then we'll talk.
Mina lo Jasmine wenu lo Jasmine wenu nimbabazayo ukuthi kuma-Instagram upost ama-receipt unemali kwasha kwacima ushem. I've never in my life. Yo, wasicking, I don't even have words. Jar.
I'm sorry, nama naninzi ezingazenza. Ndiyakuthanda and andinadustbin yakho uba ndifake kuyo umntanam. But you have to think, ucinge life yakho, health yakho. Uthini ngayo?
Right up in con. I feel like her telling me all of this stuff, I feel like it's a bit of manipulation to it, because she didn't have to have me at the end of the day. I didn't choose to be here. I didn't choose to be here and listen to her telling me about how she sacrificed for me, did stuff for me. I didn't choose all of that. I should have been born in a proper family where I could have had everything and not have a parent tell me they have to sacrifice for me. They have to do this and that.
Shem. Yes, speechless.
You know, I am very, very disappointed. I am embarrassed. I am deeply embarrassed. I don't want to lie to you. Shuti, her name, she's a transgender woman now. Her name is Uchapari. Jasmine Jabari. So as you saw on that clip, Shuti, she was having a conversation with her mom, telling her the type of job that she's doing and how she's getting her money. And my problem is, hey, Buffett, where do I start? Guys, okay, this is going to be a mess. I'll be jumping all over because I'm trying to wrap my head around all of this. You understand? Yes, when it comes to our sexualities, guys, I don't want to lie to you. 18. Even though as much as some people are just doing it for the money, or some people are just doing it for whatever they were doing it for, some of us were just born like this. You understand? And as much as kuguti, we all have our rights to pila, we all have our rights to being our authentic selves, it does take a toll on our parents when we come out. Or not only just when we come out, when they find out about our sexualities. You understand? It's not wrong for you to tell your mom, your dad, your aunt, or whoever, your family members, you are within the LGBT plus community. It's not. Understand? But however, it does take a toll. I even saw with Utami, his mom cried by the fact Uguti, she was like, Shuti, I'll never have kids. Because Utami is dating men. Of which, just to put it out there, Utami can still have kids. With his sexuality, his own biological kids. He can. But my things I'm us having to come out to our parents, it does hurt them or it does crush them. I know ukuthi uwe nawe ndoda, you understand, but it does have a certain effect on them. Some they even cut us out, some bas cut us off and then they come around, some they just accept us. We are fun. You understand? And by virtue of the norm of a society, you can only imagine ukuthi when as okay, sorry guys. Yeah. When you come out, even some guys who have not even came out, into eyenza ukuthi besaba ukukama out is abantu. What will people say? Even with our parents, I feel like now Koloko they do also have that. But for those who accept you or those who end up coming back around, they end up being like, even if I want to be a cool, I'll stick by my child. Train of thought is so and abanye bayakuaccept lokho, but still kubadle kancane until yabona gcine se come into full terms ukuthi no say right akanankinga and all of that. Now the fact ukuthi ke manje sekumele uyophinda usho futhi ukuthi wena udayisa ibody. Yo. Hey. I won't lie, nami ngisase nayo OnlyFans account, but me having to go to my mom or ubaba ngiyosho ukuthi mina this is how I get imali. Angazi. Angeke ngikhone mina nje. Ngiqamba manga. Ibindi zethu ayifani. Bafethu ibindi zethu ayifani. Mina vele ngeke ngakhona ukuthi ngiyenze kanjalo because ngingafila ngathi umama sengimthwesa okuningi manje. You understand? Mina, I'm talking about me. Ngiyafila ngathi umama sengimthwesa okungaphezulu kwamandla akhe manje. First to accept ukuthi I'm gay. Next thing you say accept ukuthi mina ngidasa nebody. Okay, fine. Agcine sek-acceptile konke lokho. But why now? I don't know if guilt trip is the right word. Why is Jasmine guilt tripping her mom? Why is she blaming her mom? Her mom did her very best to ensure ukuthi uyazama ukuthi amncede. She did, and uzakana amahloni ukuthi athi it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. Wena wenzeni? Besides ukuyihowa, wenzeni? What did you do? And then even the audacity of what I did not choose Mila to be born in this to be born. She in other words, shoot mama kebene option go to yamgcina no benga zamgcina umama kebengazi. And a part of me, I feel like something that just crossed my mind, man, if our parents knew our outcome, some of our parents would not have had us. Some of our parents, if they had an option, they would have not had us. The fact ukuthi yena ufila ngathi udeserve ukuzalwa emndenini ongcono onjanjani ayawuna mahloni disrespecting your mom. Your mom's hard work. Just because when you want to hold your ass. You want to go and hold your ass. Cha mina uyangibhora ke nje. Yo uyangibhora. Uyangibhora. Hawu. Yazi abanye mama yikho abanye abantu bethi bayifuna nje ingane. On that la ngibuka khona le episode this whole interaction with her mom phelele uzasho ukuthi I just wanted to throw more jabs at her just so that she can understand. No, le emotional blackmailing. That's emotional blackmailing. You are saying good when you are where you are because of your mother. No, you're not. You are definitely not. You are not. You're not. Why ungahambanga waya esikoleni wayofunda? And your mom did say something along those lines ukuthi yena ebefundisa and all of that. Why ungahlalanga esikoleni waqhubeka wafunda? Umama ukuthathela ukufaka esikoleni azange kuthatha efaka esikoleni sokudayisa umzimba. So I understand ukuthi wena you are where you are now because of your mom. You can't say that. Even with your mom having to even accept you wanting to transition, you can't say your mom made you be like that. How did your mom make you be like that? How did your mom ukwenze kanjani umama wakho? Mara bafethu niyabahlukumeza abazali benu. Yeah. Niyabahlukumeza abazali benu. Yeah. Cha umama wakho right. Umama mina nje afuqa mamanga, umama ke mina ngabe kade ngamxosha. Mina. Ebezothi mayisesho kahle ukuthi udayisa ibhodi phezulu lokho elokho blame mina. Phezulu lokho yambona ukuthi akafuni ukuthatha accountability ukuthi yonke lento eyenza it's because of yena. Yena wenzani ukuthi aphume kulesimo. Yes, there's also this other guy. I once spoke about this guy on YouTube. Ukuthi there's this other guy who was talking about indaba ukuthi yena wakhuluma bakhe ethi angazifa bheme oyindoda yabhema yaphuza and all of that. Ngambuza ukuthi wena manje ke masukhula wathi mawuhlala phansi uyibheka le nto uyibona njani? Wena uthe mawukhula wayibona, how did you see that thing when usumdala wena? Uyibona right? Uyibona right? So the same thing uzothi wena umama wakho ukwenze unje because of umama wakho. Hayi kahle. And into ebuhlungu umama wakhe, I'm sure it goes back to what I said even when I started this video. Our parents when they have us, uyasho yo umntana mfuna abe udokotela or ngifuna ukuthi abe ukuthi abanabazukulu, similar to uThami. His mom was expecting to or wanted to have grandkids or still wants to have grandkids. But manje she's even saying it herself ukuthi angeke asaba nazo lezo ingane. And abazukulu. Wafuna ukuthi akwamukele lokho. Sengikhohle ukuthi ngifukuthile ulona nje uyangibhora mina. Yo abazali beni bayanthandaza. And this guy, she doesn't see ukuthi her mom loves her. She does not see ukuthi umama wakhe uyamuthanda. And her mom is even telling her ukuthi I'm the only thing you have. Do not let glitz and glamour blind you. Yo, yes. Here's another thing. When I was talking about with our parents having such an expectations that umama ke fine use acceptile ukuthi okay umntana wami transgender, but still she kept on having imicabango emihle ngawe ukuthi at least uzoba transgender enezinto zayo ni check le link ngiyacela uzoba transgender elihle uzoba nezinto zazo. Wena ufuni ke lokho uthi right la ukhona, uthe nje right la ukhona. But ngiyazi understand noma you to right bakunika 70,000 khona uthi wayenza khona 70,000 Cape Town. Nayi le video ya 70,000
Cape Town by a guy that I don't know. Of course he's Nigerian. He gave me about 50K just for spending whole week there. And I stayed in Cape Town for a while and made money, saw different guys. I made about 70K within a week.
Wait. Okay, let's carry on. Yo. Oh, these are both transgender. Do I say guys or ladies? Yeah, but transgender anyway.
Cha banesibindi abantwana baseDurban umuntu avesathi hi I have 300 rand.
Yo sana.
Isibili singakho Johnny. Isibili singakho phofu awumhle ufake ileshi Tony and then umuntu sathi I have 300. For me personally, like I'm not even apologetic about it anymore because it brings me money. I'm a high-end escort. But I have something that I think we should do. Masamba, John, next bit.
Where we going? I'm up for everything. The money's there.
Let's do Namibia. Or maybe Cape Town again.
Let's do Namibia.
Hey, but maphela makatsang wait. Hey,
u70,000 uyothatha phi ke mangafundanga ungazange ukuthi futhi ufundele izinto ezisechopheleni eziphezulu kuzithola leyo mali okunye futhi ophinde kubhede ngokuthi uhambe uyosebenza futhi ilento ukuthi ufa ungene 9 to 5 for report komuntu. A lot of us our generation and even people who are coming after us abakufuni lokho, they don't want to work hard. Abanye bakutshela kahle ukuthi bona ngeke besebenza umlungu. You use what you have, always wanting the easy way out. Yes, not say ufuna easy what umama ke uzwe yamtshela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abe nezinto zakhe uyothi mase semdala esehohlokile uyowenzani? Uyowenzani? I hope even nale mali le ayitholayo khona izinto eziproductive azenzayo. I hope ukuthi le mali ayithola khona izinto eyangazikhomba manje ukuthi I did this, I did that, ngaphandle kwezinto azenze emzimba wakhe ama BBL and all of that. I hope khona izinto azenzayo. Yeah, I'm disappointed. Into engibholayo ukuthi why blame umamakhe? Usefuna umamakhe ukuthi accepte ngenkaka ukuthi udayisibody. Ngumanipulate. Uye othi umamakhe uzama ukumanipulate kanti yena kanti umamakhe uzama ukubonisa yena. Yeah, nina ngama blind hoes anani blind nini. Niyobakhumbula abazali benu. Niyobakhumbula abazali benu. Thina bethu sana abazali kodwa abethu bahamba nje la emhlabeni bazi kahle ukuthi siyabahlonipha. Yes, in free yethu besiyenza but ezinye izinto animeni kancane nale transparency yenu. Ubu right nje about confess ukuthi wena uya transition. Lokho kunye asekho nje isidingo salokho. Asekho nje isidingo salokho. Anike nime kancane. I even saw another thing manje ngoba bevala ikolo. I was seeing this on TikTok. A few gay people, gay young boys, they can't go home. They are sad because their parents kicked them out because of sexuality. Guys, ngihlale ngintshela ukuthi if ungakazimeli, if ungakakwazi ukuthi ube nomsebenzi ungakabi independent, let me just put it like that. Do not come out. Do not come out because next week you'll be posting foolish messages here on social media. Ufuna uganishe sympathy from all of us ukuthi wena ekhakeni baxoshe in ake nime kancane nize niyimele. Anime mina ngibhora make le community feeling ngibhore nayo. Yo, fuck. Ake nime kancane ukuphapha. Ake nime kancane ukuphapha. Ukuhlehla kwenqama isiZulu sithi ukuhlehla kwenqama akukona ukuphela amandla. Noma ukuhluleka but ukuthatha amandla anike ezinye izinto zizofika isikhathi sakhona. If wenza into zakho zenze emakhoneni uzenze ecashela kini asikho nje isidingo sokuthi if usa dependent ebazaleni bakho ukuthi uphume out of the closet mabe kick out uzowenzani. Mina ngilike angizweli umuntu futhi angiqoqa umuntu angisiza umuntu ozobuya athi yena baba kick out ekhaya kubo because angaza kutshela ukuthi lo muntu eze come out ebethembeni akanye ukuphapha. If you azazi ukuthi gay or within the LGBT community and usasekhaya kini mina yimo ngisho njalo ningaphumi kuma closet up until nibe independent. Inkinga neni futhi nifuna ukumitha khona la emakhaya. Lento imosheke nje nangale ku heterosexual naku homosexual naku what imoshekile nje yonke lento. Iproblem ileyo. Focus esikoleni. Uthi uthola umsebenzi ube independent. Then you can knock yourself out. Then usungaqhama out ekhayini uthi mama ku so or baba ku so. And then however they bazo react ngakhona. Unfortunately now better right to be react however bafuna react ngakhona. And if befuna ukuxosha bazoxosha phela kusemzini nabo. But it's better ukuthi umuntu mayixosha axosha nawe uyazi ukuthi ukhona la onendlu yakho noma umkhukhu wakho obiza ngekhaya owazi ukuthi ubiza wena ayikho umuntu ozokuxosha kuwona. Yeah, I mean, stop it, the thing nje. Wena Jasmine, I hope God helps you, Shem. I hope God helps you, because you're not okay mentally. And you do also you are giving off my vibes ukuthi khona some hurt you went through. But the painful thing is the fact ukuthi umama wakho usumthwesa umthwalo nangafanele ngabe uzuyawuthwala. Because the next thing you find umzali sethi kaze ngiyenzeni manje yini lesefanele ngiyenze. How you yes masasemncane basakhulisa abazali bakho. Yes, yiwa uyi-responsibility yabo. Mase usumdala ukwazi ukwenza isexy. Ukwazi ukwenza isexy uzugcina usuwenza imali ngesex, wenza 70,000 ngesex. Usaze lokhu playbana nomzali wakho instead of bettering your life. Angimfuni mina umuntu onjalo othi yena uzalo ehluphekeni. Yena vele wayehlupheka ekhaya. Noma ekhaya bonke bayephuza nami mfanga phuza. Oh, it's your life, my dear. It is your life. Utini, set your life, go and be life. It is what it is. Me, though, I'm very disappointed, Shem. Oh, lapho muhle. Yo, how muhle. Muhle. Yazi it also goes back to lento ukuthi yazi abantu kungcono yazi uyitholele nje isikobo sakho. Because iy'kobo most of the time ngathi ziyaphila. Ayi olona nje afbop nje amagoboro phonja. I'm very disappointed, Shem. Miss Jabbar. And I feel for your mom. I feel for your mom. I do not want to lie to you. I feel for your mom. But you will get what's coming to you. God will show you flames. Nkulunkulu uyogeza la. Umuhlu nje uyogeza la. La. Yes.